In this video, we'll go over scheduling reports and customizing them when they run. You can schedule a report to run at a specific date and time. Scheduled reports are entered in the job queue and processed at the scheduled time, similar to other jobs. You can choose to save the processed report to a file, such as an Excel, Word or PDF document, print it to a selected printer, or process the report only. If you choose to save the report to a file, then the processed report is sent to the Report Inbox area on your homepage, where you can view it. You can schedule a report when you open a report. You can choose the schedule action, and then you enter information such as printer and date and time. The report is then added to the job queue and will be run at the specified time. When the report is processed, the item will be removed from the job queue. If you save the processed report to a file, it will be available in the Report Inbox area.